In my 13 years of coaching, the most common question I've been asked has been, how do I boost my confidence? And no matter what area of life you're talking about, whether it's your health, your wealth, your family, your relationships, your personal faith, it's so important that having a certain level of confidence to guide you through life, especially through its adversities and challenges. I'm Thomas Edwards, creator and author of The One-Up Effect, helping high-performing professionals with families have fun becoming their best self through purpose, play, passion, and performance. In this video today, I'm going to share with you 3 ways you can build more self-confidence to power through life and create more success than ever before. The first thing is all about how you talk to yourself. One of the most common things that I've found with my clients when it comes to lower self-confidence is they typically would have negative self-talk. This is what I've learned to be as thought errors in the world of cognitive behavioral therapy. There's some defining thought that makes them believe or tries to convince them that they're not good enough and that they will never be good enough. And oftentimes these thought errors tend to be a little extreme, like I'll never be in a relationship, I'll never make enough money. And what I found is when you're able to change your limiting thoughts that go through your mind, through whatever process you possibly can. There's plenty of techniques out there. I know cognitive behavioral therapy is a great technique. I even have my own proprietary journal that guides people to changing their thoughts. But whatever technique you can use, changing your thoughts is the first and almost instant way to boost self-confidence, because not only are you changing your thoughts, you're also influencing your feelings and your emotions tied to those thoughts. And in turn, it's going to influence better behavior and more confident behavior. The second thing is to take strengths that you've discovered in one area of your life and apply them to another area of your life. Oftentimes we think so one-dimensionally in the sense that just the skills that we have or we develop at work can only be applied at work. It can't be applied anywhere else. And where I found the most success is by looking at where my success comes from and seeing how I can apply it to other areas of my life. I'll never forget the quote that I was told is that how you do one thing is how you do everything. And oftentimes that's used with the bad habits context. But I also have realized that if I'm finding success leveraging one skill in one area of my life, then why can't I apply that one skill to other areas of my life? This becomes very vital for you in your ability to boost your confidence. And the third thing, stop seeking external validation as your primary source for confidence. I didn't say stop seeking external validation, because I don't believe that is necessarily possible for a lot of people. But to seek it as your primary source of self-confidence can set you up for having low self-esteem and low self-confidence. Because here's the truth. When you seek external validation through people, places, or things, that is a never-ending treadmill or a loop that you'll constantly be feeding yourself on, because you'll never be able to get enough external validation. The most important thing is to start a practice of acknowledging yourself, acknowledging all the things that you have done and are doing. And it gives you more confidence in what you believe you're capable of doing in the future. The thing I tell my clients all the time is confidence is not always just about right now, here in this moment. Yes, it's important to think about that, but I also want you to think about the fact that confidence can really help you down the road in future situations that are unknown, that you will not be familiar with. And you will have the confidence to find your way through those situations, especially if they include adversity, challenges, or even setbacks. Having self-confidence in yourself will help you overcome most things in your life. But this is what I think. Comment below, let me know what you think. What is it about self-confidence that is a struggle for you, if that's something that you struggle with? Can these 3 suggestions help improve your confidence? Or are there other ways that you've been able to boost your confidence? Comment below, let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell, get notified when we put out videos, which happen almost every single day. And if you found this video interesting or inspiring, please share this with someone who might find this interesting or inspiring too. I'd love to hear what they have to say and get them in on the conversation. And if you want the exact process and signs behind reducing stress, virtually eliminating burnout, and learning how to have fun creating more success in your health, wealth, self, family, marriage, career, business, and not feel the need to have to sacrifice your personal happiness or your professional ambition, you can go to thomasedwardsjr.com. Once again, this is Thomas Edwards reminding you to make life a game that you can win and have fun playing. Until next time, I'll see you around.